Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna solve question number 2, paper 52 March 2022. In a certain country, the probability of more than 10 centimeters of rain on any particular day is 0.1. Let's say this is P. Independently of the weather on any day, the probability that the rain will be 10 centimeter, more than 10 centimeter of rain at any day is 0.18. So is not, which is Q, will be 100 or 1 minus 0.18. Find the probability that in any randomly chosen 7-day period, so n is equal to 7. More than 2 days have more than 10 centimeters. More than days means more than, it's not written equal. More than 2 days, maybe 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The probability will be exactly 3, will be 7C3. It's a binomial. P, which is 0.18 to the power of 3, and the Q, which is 1 minus 0.18, which is equal 0.82. So 0.82 plus 7C4, 0.8 to the power of 4, and 0.82 to the power of 3. It's a binomial. NCR, P power of R, Q to the power of N minus R. But it would take a longer time. 7C3, 7C4, 7C5, 7C6, 7C7. In this case, you can write 1 minus the previous cases. So I can solve it like this. 1 minus 0, 1, or 2. So 1 minus 0, 7C0, P 0.18, 0.18, all to the power of 0, and 0.82 all to the power of 7, plus 7C1, 0.18 all to the power of 1, and 0.82 to the power of 6, plus 7C2, 0.18 all to the power of 2, multiplied by 0.82 all to the power of 5. Simplify, you can get your final answer for part A. The final answer is 0.115. 0.115. Part B, for 3 randomly chosen 7-day period, find the probability exactly 2 of these periods have at least 1 day with more than 10 centimeters of rain. First of all, I will find this probability. We already have 7 days. What is the probability that at least 1 day more than 10? At least 1 day more than 10, at least means or more. At least more or more or more. So the question now is, what is the probability 1 or more than 1? So I will find the cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It takes a longer time. You can write it 1 minus the case which is 0. This is the probability. So 1 minus 7C0, P power 0, Q power of 7. P is 0.18, Q is 0.82. I will calculate this part. It's 1 minus 7 C 0 multiplied by 0.18 power 0, then times 0.82 to the power of 7. So the answer is 0.7507. This is the probability that at least one day out of 7 will be more than 10. The question now is, let's say this is the value of the probability. Let's say this is P, which is 0.7507, and its Q is 1 minus 0.7507. The question now is, for 3 randomly chosen from 7, I will select 3. This is the probability that will be at least more than 10 centimeters, at least one day. And this is Q. And written exactly 3 selection. Maybe the first one is success, the second one success, and the third is not. Exactly 2, correct. So exactly 2 success. So the third one will be fail. But their permutation, maybe P and then not, then P. Maybe Q, then P, then P. So get your answer multiplied by 3 because their arrangement. So the first success is 0.7507 multiplied by itself will be square, multiplied by Q, which is 1 minus 0.7507, and this repeated 3 times. So don't forget to multiply by 3, which represent their permutation, their order. So the final answer, 3 significant figure, will be 0.421. 0.421. This is the final answer. Thank you.